I'm Sucheta, a conscious parenting expert and a coach. Today I'm going to tell you one of the incidences which woke me up and transferred me from unconscious parenting to conscious parenting. One day, my son came from the school and he went to his room and started playing on his desktop. I prepared snacks for him and I took him to his room and I gave it to him. My phone started ringing, so I went into my bedroom and attended that phone call. It was from my friend, and she told me that my son was reprimanded by FOIR coordinator for fighting with one of his classmates. I was really shocked because I thought my son is so polite and so friendly. Why he had to fight with any of his classmates? And that too, he had to be taken to the FOIR coordinator for indiscipline. I saw that it is a red flag. But apart from that, what shocked me more was why my son did not come to me and told me that first. Why I had to get to understand it from my friend that this has happened. Red flag for all the parents. What about you? Whether your son or a daughter tells you each and everything, or I will say not each and everything, but most of the things which are important for as a parent, you should be aware about it. You should have that emotional bonding with your child, which is very, very important and which is lacking nowadays because of several reasons. There are several psychological reasons which refers to it. But when I went to his room, I asked him that I'm absolutely fine. This auntie had called me and she told me that this is the problem. What happened, Akshay? And he was reluctant to tell me. He was not ready to tell me anything. Then after pursuing, he told me that he was teased by his friend and he did not liked it, and that's why that this fight happened. So I said, I explained as usual. That doesn't matter, but what matters is that bonding has to be there with your child, so you are in total control and you are aware about what is happening in your child's life. So you can provide help, guidance whenever it is necessary. If there is no emotional bonding, it will create a lot of problem for your child. Now, what is emotional bonding? Many times in a family, a mother, father, daughter and a son, they all are at home, but everyone is busy in their activities. The father might be sitting next to the son who is just 1 or 2 feet away from him, but there might not be any emotional bonding among them. There might not be a healthy exchange and give and take of emotions. See, there is nowadays the conversation between parent and a child has become so superficial. Children are not able to express what they feel to their parents. And all of you must be feeling that way. There are every individual case is different. See, my child was also not ready. I work at I have studied psychology, I have worked at a psychological level, and still this happened. No doubt I took the corrective action, but this happened. That child did not felt like telling something which was very, very important. Why he did not felt like telling me? Because first of all, he felt that I will shout at him, I will feel sad about it, I will reprimand him. Why child does not feel like bonding or telling everything with you because he is controlled. When you control the child, when you reprimand the child is not, it's a method to push your child away. So whenever, suppose he is playing mobile game and not studying, and you go and you shout, you snatch the phone, you keep it away for 1 or 2 days, this system is not going to help you to emotionally bond with your child. On the contrary, it will push them away from you. There has to be healthy give and take of emotions, like a tennis match. Whatever you feel, you should be able to tell, and whatever child feels, what innermost feeling, they should be able to confide with you. I have one particular chart, I'll just say, in a dysfunctional families, can you see this dysfunctional family where there is a mother and a daughter? The exchange between them is superficial. How are you? Okay, fine. Did your homework? Okay. Have your food? This is, it remains at a very superficial level. There is no healthy emotional give and take between mother and daughter. While in a healthy family where there is an emotional bonding, there is a healthy conversation between mother and a daughter. They try to exchange real emotions, whatever they feel, and this is called emotional bonding. And in today's world, this emotional bonding is missing between parents and child. Now there are several methods. First of all, why this emotional bonding is not there? Because parents are very busy, mother is working, father is working, they are so busy, and probably they also didn't have emotional bonding with their parents. Take your example, whether you were able to confide all the innermost feeling with your parents. If you were not, then probably you will pass on that same legacy to your children. Your children will also not have that same confidence among you to bond emotionally with you. So what I did, when I saw that it's a red flag, that I have to take action, that I have to come out of all this, mess which I had created, I started developing the bond by removing the control. I had tremendous amount of control over him because I was a lecturer. So, for me, discipline and everything was so important. So I tried to control my son, and that had resulted in taking my son away from me emotionally. So, the best place I found to emotionally bond with my son was McDonald's. He loved burgers. So first I went to the McDonald's burger, only two of us, and we started talking. We went for movies, we went for trekking, we went for outing, we went for malls, and then, when we were in a free atmosphere, the child develops, and I removed my control from him, and suddenly he started opening up, and he started confiding with me all the things he started, and then emotional bonding started. Whenever I used to feel dissatisfied, I used to inform him about it. I stopped shouting. I started informing him about it, that I'm really hurt, I did not like it, you should have not done it like that. And sometimes I used to crack the joke and inform him that this is not done, etc. And he started informing me what he wants from me, what he wanted me to do for him. That emotional bonding is very, very important in today's age, because we don't want to develop a generation which is emotionally anorexic. That means they are not showing any emotions. You know, if they are angry, they will not tell you. If they are sad, you will not know. You will not know what is happening in their life. Even if they are sad, they will not open up. They will just stay quiet, sit quietly in their room, which is very, very wrong. This healthy expression of emotions helps you to have the better mental health as an adult. You know, so child should be trained to express his emotions in a right manner, and that can happen only through conscious parenting, because through conscious parenting you let go of the control. And when we set the child free, you know, no doubt when we set the child free does not mean that we are allowing them total freedom, that they can go and do drugs and they can go and go to the club. No, I'm not saying that freedom. I'm just saying freedom to be what he or she is, their authenticity, whatever they want, we are ready to accept it. Even if they are, not so intelligent, even if they score less marks in their physics paper, we are ready to accept them. And when we are opening ourselves, that heart space, when we open our heart space, you know, naturally child feels happy to be recognized by his own family for what he is, and approving and appreciating it about it. Naturally child also opens his heart space, and then the emotional bonding takes place, which helps you to be a better parent. And this leads, you know, it results in all the aspects of child's life. It makes child satisfied, so he is not full of stress, agony and resentment. Naturally his mental space is free of all guilt, shame, agony, and naturally he can do his best only when he is open and accepted for what he is. And this conscious parenting has such a profound effect on your child's mind that, you know, this is really worth trying. I want all of you to be a conscious parent. Thank you. Have a blessed day. Think about this issue of emotionally bonding with your child. Try to see that whether child is able to open up or your conversation with your child is superficial. It's a high time to take a stop. And if you feel, you know, it's never too late. It's never too late in parenting, and especially in conscious parenting. So you start taking steps and take them out, treat them, you know, let go of all the control, accept them for their authenticity, and you will see the difference in them. Be a conscious parent. Have a blessed day. Thank you.